16th of July 2025. This is Trap Trader. We are watching PPI auction. It is 9:09 on a lovely Wednesday morning, but not morning here in Europe. And PPI pushed us up here.
5 minutes ago now, we get the US industrial production month-on-month forecast. Is for 1%, prior minus for 2%.
Let's see if they're going to take that high on Nasdaq.
For 4% unchanged from the prior.
Kind of
US industrial production year-on-year
already
prior
cleared it.
0.6%. Manufacturing output month-on-month 0% for the forecast, prior 0.1%. And we're expected to hear from Fed Hamak, where text
Well,
is
I'm expecting some sort of drop at the open. That's the overnight auction.
Ford shares fall 2% pre-market after company recalls over 694,000 SUVs in the US over fuel leak probe.
So what do we see? We did close yesterday down here. That was a CPI push. Well, actually, CPI. That was a CPI push. Been selling off all day. I was participating in some kind of in this push to the downside on Nasdaq, not only yes. Then I bought something here as well. On Nasdaq, made a good money. Had a $1,000 day yesterday, and I decided to shut down. So what have we done overnight? We kept going here. We're basically chopping. They did take that level one more time. They did take that level.
10 seconds.
It's quite important level, because that level was just actually carried from here. Relatively equal lows.
FedSamac does not
And
policy or economic outlook.
today PPI
0.3% for industrial production month to month, 0.3%
data
higher than forecast of 0.1%.
0,
Capacity utilization
better than expected.
77.6%, 77.6%.
Yesterday we had
higher than
uptick,
forecast of 77.4%.
2.7 on
US
CPI,
manufacturing
but the
output month to month,
PPI is going down. So
0.1%.
market should.
Of 0%. Just waiting on the industrial production year-on-year data now.
I mean, Jerome Powell has got a now, because Jerome Powell is looking at PPI more than CPI. I mean, they're looking at both, but PPI is kind of more important for them, because that predicts the future prices. So the future prices should be cheaper.
Also, prior revised then
And that
for
means
the production month to month, prior revised to 0% from the original prior revised was 2%. Manufacturing production,
because
manufacturing
it's zero,
prior revised to
inflation is 0, not 0.2.
1%.
That means that inflation is going down,
5% compared to prior 77.4%.
and market might like that, because there will be no reason to keep the stock base rates up. So the reaction here is it's fairly justified. It's a good reaction. We went up. Should be looking for longs, obviously. We want to buy the long at a specific place. We don't want to buy it up there. We want to get in at the structure. Maybe this trap shorts. If we get down here, that will be a good place to look for long. And that means that at the open we can expect a little bit of pullback to get the longs, the early longs, the PPI longs out of the position. It's a similar story here on Nasdaq. We will be looking to dip in here, maybe into yesterday's low, push above and go. Let's just make this green, because we expect move upside from here. I'm going to drop as well Fibonacci. This could go deeper, sometimes 62%. Let's redraw that thing one more time. 62, maybe even down here. It's possible. This or that, many scenarios. Obviously, here is a lot of trapped liquidity, so down here and up. Anyway, deleted something that I shouldn't. Okay, so I'm gonna be waiting for entry. I did try one entry today, shorting from here. I was in the money, didn't close, came back, stopped me out for break even. And that's the Fibonacci on that move, the PPI move. It's very often that these moves like that, they come down back to base. That's the yesterday's RTH low, daily low. And we got 11 minutes still open. We do have liquidity up here, 23,100. 23,100. So that's 30 points higher. I'm gonna mark that 23,100. Let's make it red. Yeah. We'll see. Okay, so what do we have here? This is ATH. I want to have RTH here as well. That is an RTH. RTH. Cool. Jensen. Okay, so here's RTH. We are not gapping down because market is opening within the range of yesterday's trading. So there's no gap. That's where we went this morning, right? 97. 97. Yeah. Immediately bought back. Yeah, it does look like they want to go higher. We do have liquidity up to 19,100. So at the open, anything can happen, but let's wait for a pullback. And then we'll try to buy this. So I'm thinking like that. If that's one leg up, let me just switch this. That's my one leg. Then going into this 100. A nice pullback down here. Something like this. And who knows, we may just go up there on the second leg. This is ES. MES, I trade minis. Sorry, micro. No minis, micro. And yeah, I would think we should go and grab that, to be honest. I would think that our market should try to grab this, but obviously we have trapped liquidity here, so there will be bounce of that. Here's trapped liquidity as well to the short side. They have been actually purged here, so here we got more of the shorts. I would say here will be the level, and that means here would be the level. Okay, so we got some kind of idea what we want to do, and obviously this can just open and rip higher and leave you in the dust. So I don't see much liquidity. I mean, there's liquidity at 50, so I could drop to grab that consolidation, grab that and then go. But we have also 45, and then liquidity will be added once we start to go down. There will be more liquidity coming. If we look at the ES, plenty of liquidity up, 300 up to 307, 310, 290 down. Quite significant liquidity waiting here, 7 points lower. We do have some liquidity as well here at 90. Yeah. Oh, watch that. Five minutes to open. We need 300 more, 260 something dollars to pass this account. So I have to remember that once I pass it, I have to detach it from my leader account. I think that's what I need. Let me check if I need to have a little more than that. Yeah, I just need to make 3,000 on it, so no additional requirement. I trade with Topstep. That is a Topstep X platform. It's based on TradingView. Okay, I've got a little bit of movement to the downside. Let's see. Okay, that liquidity is gone. Yes, has got a lot of liquidity, 300 and 301. We're currently at 97. Let's put that as well. Yeah. That's the liquidity on this. Let's put that maybe actually from here. Oh, it doesn't matter. I'm just marking, potentially how far could we go. Here got trap buyers. I love that.
For you the market on open imbalance data.
We could potentially go up here. Technically speaking, even up there. if they decide to go higher, because you
Euro
can have
falls to
one
about
leg and then second leg up
1.1578
there,
against the dollar.
counting these big
The US
legs.
dollar, the lowest since June 24.
I do think that we might just go without, a little dip and then go. I don't even see liquidity here. Look at that. It's just gone. Liquidity is up,
10 seconds.
especially on ES. 90, and then, god damn it, it's fucking out of it all the time. Let's put some.
Million. Nasdaq 100 sell side 28 million.
There you go.
Dow 30.
That opened.
Buy side 60 million. And Mag 7 sell side 26 million.
Buyers stepping in immediately.
Hello, everybody. This is Donald J. Trump.
Plenty of liquid. I don't know why
And I'm
Nasdaq
going
is
to do a
so
little
thin.
effort for financial juice. You're behind the markets. If you're a real
Look,
day
ES,
trader,
look at ES,
go
difference in
real-time
liquidity.
at
Stop ES5.
financialjuice.com/purchase and save 67% on a subscription.
Stop
Can you
and
believe
QSL.
it?
Okay. Is it
Instead of
push?
Captain Price said cheap
67%,
thrill.
Yeah,
you get
yeah.
a discount. It's huge.
looks-
very, very big. Very big. As big as my hand.
Stop and QSL.
Well, not as big as my hand. My hands are
Stop
big.
and QSL.
What are you
Stop
waiting
and
for?
QSL.
Come on, do it.
Stop and
Also
QSL.
dropping.
Nectarine said dumpy eat.
Absorption and Q buyers.
Should I go for ES? I did sell.
Iceberg
Now
and
they grabbed
QSL.
below.
China Chamber of Commerce
But
to
I
the EU group
think-
held a meeting with EU officials on auto cooperation.
Nasdaq.
6 members from companies
Look at
including
this.
NIO, XPeng, Xiaomi,
We missed it.
and
I
Energy
hesitated here.
attended the meeting.
Iceberg and QSL.
Oh, I have
Iceberg and QSL.
hesitated there.
Iceberg and QSL. Iceberg and QSL. Iceberg and Q buy.
So he just took that shelf.
Captain Price said a little FOMO bull flag folds.
Seeing shares of Goldman Sachs down about 0.5% after Q2 results.
Okay.
Also, China Chamber of Commerce to the EU Auto Working Group expressed concerns global trade tensions could have spillover effects on direction of EU policy.
Yeah, well, let's see how far we're gonna push on this.
Q buy.
Are we gonna come back? NQ buy. Delta on NQ minus 1,400.
Also with ASML,
Yes, it's plus
CEO
1,000.
Still not
It's
at
just,
the end of tariff discussions. Customers trying to understand what tariffs mean. Tariff uncertainty invites
Look
more
at it.
caution.
So quick.
Also see Morgan Stanley shares falling 3.2%, most
So
since
quick.
April 30th.
Well, technically speaking, we did grab the liquidity, but I'm tempted to short this, to be honest, Nasdaq. But that's not a good place to do it. I hesitated up here.
Stop and QSL.
Going nowhere. Okay.
Stop NQ sell. Stop NQ sell.
How about ES? ES is looking like it could go as well. A bit lower. I'm gonna
Order
trade
filled.
ES. Let's see if they're gonna break that, and we'll continue and follow Nasdaq. Wow, Nasdaq is dumping. Come on, ES. Do it. We've been up there twice. It looks to me like Nasdaq wants lower.
Stop NQ sell. Stop NQ buy.
Come on. Let's go lower. ES has got liquidity
Captain
up
Price
to
said you want
90.
fight for your right to party.
That would be a good thing if we could go down there. We got 10 more minutes till rotation. They have swept the highs, so I like that. A 90 would be a reasonable target for ES. Yeah, well, I got
Stop NQ buy.
one more bounce.
Order
Try
filled.
one more time with this to improve my
J&J shares climbing
not doing
6.1%,
it.
the most intraday since July 2023.
Not doing it. God damn it, Nasdaq. Yeah, we'll have to get out from that. Got shit entry.
Stop NQ sell. Stop NQ sell.
No, just get
Order
out
filled.
from the bad trade. Even if it goes now down, you have to be out.
Stop NQ sell.
It is just not worth it. It's better try to.
Stop
I
and
still
buy.
see a lot of liquidity on ES. They might just keep going back and up and down till they grab everything, and then we might go down. And I was like, it's sitting down here. 38. Let's try to grab that short from somewhere here. Let's improve the entry. See if we get one more bounce. 38. They might actually go and sweep this high. Liquidity is up to 302. At the same time, I'm thinking Nasdaq just dropped into my level. But I still think that ES should wipe all this early long. See, at some point we're gonna drop to grab that, and before we head higher. So that's how I see it. try to catch this 300. Little sweep. We are making lower highs. That's a last 5 minute. Last bits on it. 9 more seconds. New one will open. Yeah, let's try to grab that somewhere here. New one will open. Maybe they'll sweep it, and then
Goldman
we're gonna
Sachs
go down.
CEO says that geopolitical concerns and pending
And
trade
one
deals
open
remain
just
risks.
right now. First minute on the 5 minute candle usually is a manipulation. I think I got the
Stock
manipulation
NQ
put
sell.
down. I'm not gonna buy it. Watching NQ, what NQ is doing. Yes, it's going low. Ah, yes, it's dumping.
Stock NQ sell.
Unfortunately,
Stock
we
ES
didn't
sell.
get there.
Absorption NQ buyers.
I'm not gonna chase it short down here. Liquidity is still lower, but plenty of
Stock
liquidity up there.
NQ buy.
Okay, let's switch to Nasdaq now and see what Nasdaq is doing, because Nasdaq is dipping very nicely. Just hit at yesterday's low.
Sweep NQ
I'm
sellers.
gonna go long here.
Stock NQ sell.
That's what my.
Stock ES sell.
Let's see if we can bounce off this yesterday's low. Come on. ES is getting accepted back in the range. That's positive, that's bullish. Come on, Nasdaq. Got some buyers stepping in. Yeah, it looks like good go, huh? What do you think? 43. Trying to catch the bigger move.
NDA submitted a QQQ, said drop it low, make it clap Nasdaq.
Keep pumping, Nasdaq. Got liquidity up to 37. Somebody's still selling. Ah, God damn it.
Seeing shares of Tesla up 1.8%.
Would be nice if you could get that 70% bounce. From NQ up there. But I don't know if I'm gonna get it. Should have taken when I could. That's a good spot. We took yesterday's low. Could bounce off of this.
Order filled.
Yeah.
Order
I'll try
filled.
one more time. $45. Still going lower. ES is dumping as well. How about now? How about now? 37. Can we? Come on, come on. Let's go. $35. Oh man. I think I have to give more space, honestly. Nah, fuck it. I'm gonna give space. If I'm stopped, I'm stopped. I'm gonna re-enter it lower. Come on, Nasdaq. Squeeze them now. Squeeze them. Last 2 minutes. On the 5-minute candle. Good. Good, 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 good. 36, 37, let's fucking go. Let's go. Squeeze, 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 squeeze. Okay, we gotta grab
Order
something here
filled.
because we've been there already once. We took that high. Let's see if we can dip in now. A little bit. I'm
Order
gonna try
filled.
one more time here.
Stop NQ sell.
For a bounce. Higher. Let's see if we can get that to 37. Come on. How many times you wanna hit that? Yesterday
Order
slow.
filled.
Ah, I gave back what we made. Weak. Okay, looks like ES gonna dump as well. Still have liquidity lower. Yeah, I should be shorting ES. We should be shorting ES, but we can't. think we're going to 23,000. Yeah, we're breaking.
Stop NQ sell.
Minutes to the top of the hour, expect to hear from FedSpar.
Stop NQ sell. Stop NQ
FedSpar
sell.
is speaking
Second
on
leg down.
financial regulation. At the Brookings event on financial regulation, text is expected with Q&A from the moderator, and there is a video. We'll get that video out for you in the feed as well.
Okay, that's another level that I've been thinking about to go long off of it. Bounce. We'll try
Order
long.
filled.
Stop NQ sell. Stop ES sell.
I have to be very quick now. Just grab immediately what I can.
Order filled.
Nothing.
Order
Try one
filled.
more time.
Cable declining 0.1%, the lowest since May 20th.
No.
Order filled.
Ay. Wanted to short this years and I'm ending up doing some bounces on the long side.
S&P 500 raising
Trying to
opening
grab
gains,
more than
Nasdaq
I should.
100 falling 0.3%. We also posted out the video where FedSpar speaking at 10 a.m. Eastern Time on the Financial News feed for you to watch.
Okay, I'm still thinking this could be very close to. Shorts are no longer
Well, it's
valid.
me again. It's Donald
think.
J. Frickin' Trump, okay? And if you're sick and tired of hearing my voice in this ad, which is pretty sad, all you've got to do is go real time at financialjuice.com/purchase and save 67% on a subscription.
Order
Try one more
filled.
time.
Big,
Nasdaq
huge
here.
discount. So what are you waiting for? Come on, do it.
I might get a push. Come on. Push. Will be stopped again? Oh, I'm gonna make some money finally. Up to this 23,000.
Order filled.
Greed,
Order
man.
filled.
This is what greed means. Then you got $70 in the pocket and you want more and you don't get it. Come on, man. Come on. You can do it. It's fucking hard, man. I should push into this 23,000. You know what?
Order
Let's
filled.
take it. Okay, let's just take it. $54, $56.
Order
Try
filled.
one more time here.
Stop NQ sell.
It's Nasdaq going for the low.
Minutes ago, to be expected to hear from FedSpar speaking on financial regulation at the Brookings event, where text and Q&A are expected. The live video is on the feed for you to watch.
I'm gonna get
Order
out.
filled.
No, don't like that. No, no, no. Doing everything not right today. Okay, well. Okay, it's holding now.
Order
Go
filled.
long. Just climb back up there.
Stop ES sell.
$346. Let's see if this 23,000 will be hit finally. Nasdaq wants to do it. I think I want to add.
Order
I
filled.
want to add here. No.
Stop NQ sell.
Thank you. So. Up to 23,000. Let's see if we can get that. Let's not be that greedy. Yeah. No. No.
Sweep NQ sellers. Stop NQ sell.
Get
Order
out.
filled.
Get out, get out, get out. We're still going lower. It's 58. I think we're just gonna dump now. So second leg down basically. The sellers are still there.
Order filled.
Sellers are still there. I'm gonna short this into 47.50, 50. Don't get too greedy. Don't get too greedy.
One minute to go now to expecting text from FedSpar.
Stop ES sell.
Come on, drop it.
10 seconds.
Order filled.
On dump. Dump, 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 dump.
FedSpar comments in prepared remarks. It says regulation must evolve with financial system. Warns that relaxing rules can create vulnerabilities.
God damn it.
Cycles of boom and bust tied to weakened regulation.
Ah, fucking hell. Oof.
Stop ES5.
That was a...
We do have a speech. We'll post it on the feed for you.
Go and grab that go and grab that 50. Very risky trade right now. So they try to push high, but I mean, if we break that low, we're gonna go, so. Just clear this 10 o'clock. Oh shit.
Stop NQ sell.
Come on, dump it to the 10 o'clock. Dump it to the 10 o'clock. Low. You know what? I know what I'm gonna do. This can really go. We'll take 2. Well, let's see if this is gonna dump low. If it does. A lot of liquidity up there. They might actually go for it. Not good. ES has got some space to go lower. That's what I'm thinking. We could actually dump. should go for the 250, honestly. Go for the 250, but come on.
Nasdaq 100 turns negative, last down about
God damn it.
0.13%.
The Fibra trade said dump Supreme when
There's fucking buyers here. Come on, motherfucker. Dump it, no. Need to take the 62, and then we're gonna go.
Iceberg and Q buy.
Welcome to Think with Bookmaps, where we trade futures in a blink with Bookmaps. And for that dough, you gotta think with Bookmaps. It's Bookmaps, it's Bookmaps, it's Bookmaps. It's the moment you've all been waiting for. That's
Dump.
everybody's favorite community.
Stock and Q sell.
order filled.
Stock and Q sell. Stock ES sell.
Order
Stock
filled.
ES sell.
Off. Let's hold this one. Somewhere there. For a final dump.
Yeah, think with Bookmaps community, man. It's the TWB community. It's the TWB community, man. Yeah, it's the TWB community. Welcome to Think with Bookmaps, where we trade futures in a blink with Bookmaps. And for that dough, you gotta think with Bookmaps. It's Bookmaps.
Yes, it's going towards yesterday's low. Nasdaq should hit somewhere. So
All these guys are saying where the
let's leave it. Let's hold arc. Look at this 250. Thick, thick. Very thick 250. Sorry, 950. 950. Very thick. Very thick. One could rip from here. But I'm thinking they are too close to London low, the blue line. Too close to blue line. And then we're gonna switch longs. Come on.
Order filled.
Minus
Stock
$6.
and Q buy.
Still wanna go up. Well, hesitated here. Look at that, man. Look at that. Okay, now they took the 10 o'clock low. That means they will try to push into this 23,000. I'm gonna try for that push to 23,000. They will have to go and grab this liquidity here.
Order filled.
Pretty well, we'll see, but this could be it. This could be it. This could be it.
Order filled.
Just take it. I mean,
Stop
how many
and
times
rebuy.
I had $70 on my hands today. God damn it. Fucking take it. If I took all of it, yeah, that's 23,000 hit. 23,000 hit. They grab that liquidity up here into the fair value gap. Yeah, a couple of mistakes. I mean, yeah, the greed here was, I had money on my hands and didn't do much with this. Then took a loss, went short, made the loss back. But that's what it is. So if we zoom out a little bit, that didn't work, the lower part. This is a drop, 79%. Nice. ES just did 50. Yeah. $23,000. We're gonna continue higher. Oof. I'm not waiting for anything. They tried it here already. They couldn't. They dropped. They grabbed liquidity. And now they got. Yeah, not a good trading today. I can tell you this. Hesitated. Didn't
According to the
jump
FT,
on it.
OpenAI to take cut of
Stop
ChatGPT
and
Switched to
rebuy.
ES.
in hunt for revenues.
Didn't do it right because I was shorting down here and then we got out. I thought we were gonna push a little bit higher one more time, but they didn't. So and now we're pumping, and we are pumping. $10.15. Delta 2000. Good Delta. I need to get in on this.
So OpenAI aims to integrate checkout system into ChatGPT.
Obviously, yes, hit that again. Well, let's see if that was just to clear
Stop
all the
and sell.
shorts out of the
They have
position.
posted out the link to the article on the feed.
To take shorts out of the position. 925 is waiting. I can see 925.
So it said
It's waiting,
OpenAI
so
plans
let's
to take a
take
cut
that
of
down.
online product sales made directly through ChatGPT as Sam Altman-led group looks to further
Down
develop
here.
e-commerce features in the hunt for new revenues. So the company currently
So what
displays
they
products
do,
on the platform with
they
an
took
option
the
to
shorts
link
out
links
only
to
on the.
retailers.
This is
It
just a
also announced
pullback,
partnership
and
with payment group Shopify in April.
it looks like
So
it looks like it
Commissioner
could pull back a little bit, but it does
this
look like
new
it could dump as
commission
well. The
proposes
same. Look at the
overall
ES.
budget
ES is
of
already
2
breaking.
trillion euros for 2028 to 2034.
ES is already breaking, and we could go to London low. So I'm not gonna buy that. It might still bounce to 87. But 90. The delta is only 700. No, it was 2000. It's now 700. That's I think ES wants to go a bit lower. I think he is. Yeah.
Stop NQ sell.
I'm gonna go
Stop
short on
NQ
this.
sell.
I think we're going for that.
Iceberg NQ buy.
Order filled.
I think we're going for that. London law. Let's see. It's a trick. It's a very dangerous short here.
The Commission proposes budget of
Right.
300 billion euros for agriculture for 2028.
It can work, and if it works,
Iceberg NQ buy.
Commissioner.
coming back up now. $9.50 still waiting.
And the EU Commission proposes
A little bit too
280
deep for
billion euros
for longer. We went down a little bit too deep.
Order
And
filled.
that's what tells me we should go lower. Yeah. Approaching the 62 again.
Order
Stop ES
filled.
sell.
Take something off. At 62. Come on, dump it now. Come. No, don't do that. Don't do that.
And the EU Commission
Yeah,
proposes
that's looking like a
Iceberg
short, I
NQ buy.
think.
for European Competitiveness Fund.
They grab that high. Yes, it's holding.
Stop ES buy. Stop NQ buy.
And Q is pushing high as well.
Order
I think
filled.
we're gonna go down. God damn it. It's just the timing not right because it's 18 and they got time. It's 9:50 waiting.
US Trade Representative Greer says the US is losing advanced manufacturing along with basic manufacturing.
Not good. Looks bullish, man. It does look bullish now. What are we doing? Decision. New kind of opens.
Tim's way from the bottom of the hour, get the EI crude oil inventories data. Forecast is for a draw of 0.50 million. High was a build of 7.07 million. Gasoline inventories are looking for a draw of 1.5 million. High was a build, prior was a draw of 2.658 million. Distillate inventories forecast is for a draw as well of 1.5 million. Prior was a draw of 0.825 million. And crude Cushing inventories prior was a build of 0.464 million. So it's looking at the API data from yesterday, so it's a bit mixed. Public sources had a completely different number, but from official sources, the API crude oil stock change came in at a build of 0.8
Liquidity
million.
up.
At the expected draw of 2 million. Cushing stock change came in at a build of 0.1 million. Gasoline stock change came in at a build of 1.9 million, and distiller stock change came in at a build of 0.8 million.
Somebody's stepping in quite heavily now with the shorts.
Iceberg and Q buy.
US Trade Representative Greer says China's cumulative tariff rate is 55%.
God damn it. I think I'm wrong.
Also
Yeah.
rather than for the range, then for the crude oil inventories, looking for a range
Gonna
of a
go
build
to view
of
up.
2 million, when
Stop
low
and Q buy.
estimates of a draw of 4.733 million.
Take the
Stop
fucking loss,
and
man.
Q buy.
Should have
Stop
taken that
and Q
loss.
buy.
I could.
US Trade Representative Greer says Trump's expanded tariff program is bearing fruit in terms of industrial investment in the US.
View up. Can get a little bit of drop from the view up, but I should have fucking closed that there when I could. Down here, honestly, that was the moment to do it. But
US Trade
see if you
Representative
can,
Greer says, I want to reverse the trend of US trade deficit and keep it
if you
decreasing over
can
time.
get lucky on the drop, and this will drop actually. Otherwise, we have to cut it. Just get the fuck out from this thing if you can. Okay.
Canadian dollar touches the weakest since June 27th against the US dollar.
Still liquidity
Trade
lower. I'm not
Representative
saying
Greer
that this
says
should
we
go
have to be
because
clear-eyed about the challenge before US
could go and grab
in really
everybody, you know,
reindustrializing the US.
take all these loans out. I'm not saying they're not gonna do it. Especially now when I see that they're loading at this 99. They do load at 99.
Mr. Go to get the crude oil inventories data.
God damn it.
Forecast is
I'm gonna
for a draw
cancel
of
everything what we made
0.5
yesterday.
million. Prior was a build of 7.07 million. Gasoline inventories and distillate inventories are looking for a draw of 1.5 million each. Gasoline inventories prior was a draw of 2.658 and
Okay.
prior for
That
distillate
was a
was
rejection
a draw of 0.
on a 5 minute on ES.
0.25 million. Crude Cushing inventories prior was a build of
Let's hold this.
0.464 million.
Yeah, there was a rejection. Delta is not strong, it's only 800. So it's not like a big delta there. It's not 2000 delta. This tells me we could still go lower.
Stop NQ sell. Stop ES sell.
There you go, man.
Stop NQ sell.
See that?
Stop NQ sell.
Still go lower. Got 4 minutes till next period. It's 950. Sorry, yeah, 950. And he has got some liquidity low as well. Why would they not go and collect that? I'm thinking to hold this, man. They're closing lower. Seven past. Come on, let's do the 20 again.
EU's EPP party says that they can't agree to draft budget in current form.
God damn it. If US goes down now, and it does, it has to go lower, has to break that low. We're gonna go.
1
We are
minute to go
going
now,
to
lead
go.
with crude oil inventories.
Yeah, breaking view up, yes. Come on, get down now. One minute.
Swiss government says
Shit.
trade deal with US is awaiting Trump's sign-off.
Come on. Come on, Nasdaq.
Ten seconds.
Fail, 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 fail. Look at ES. ES is just about to fail. I'm
Order
not fucking
filled.
adding to this.
draw of 3.859 million, draw
Fail,
of 3.859
fail,
million,
fail,
at the expected
fail.
draw of 0.50 million. Gasoline inventories, a build of 3.399 million, build of 3.399 million, at the expected draw
Fail,
of
Nasdaq.
1.5
God damn it,
million.
Nasdaq.
Distilled inventories,
Stop
build
NQ
of
buy.
4.173
Sweep NQ
million,
buyers.
at the expected draw of 1.5
Okay, you swept it,
million.
and what
Crude
now?
Cushing inventories, build
And
of
fail now. Fail,
0.213 million.
fail. ES wants to go lower. Come on, Nasdaq. ES. Jesus. Fuck. Oh,
Stop
man.
NQ buy.
I fucked up now. Honestly, I really fucked this up.
Stop ES buy.
We have
Stop
post-round draw
NQ
support
buy.
for you, the feed as well. So a
Fucked up
reminder, in about 30
everything.
minutes time, Trump greets Bahrain leadership, and then 15 past 11 he's expected to have a meeting with Bahrain leadership.
Come on. Look, ES is just pulling even lower now. Just
As
drop
said, so the
now.
Fed has been very, very slow.
Just drop.
As it says, inflation data has been fine.
Completely wrong. Really bad trading, man.
Hassett says the Fed needs to get back on curve where the rates should be. Hassett currently speaking on Fox Business at the moment. Again, Hassett said the Fed needs to get back on curve and where rates should be.
$10.30. God damn it.
Sweep ES sellers. Sweep ES sellers. Absorption ES buyers. Absorption ES buyers. Stop ES sell.
Are we getting lucky? Are we getting lucky?
Stock ES sell.
Are we getting lucky? God damn it. He just broke that thing. We might go down actually, and we might actually get lucky now.
Stock ES sell. Stock NQ sell.
We might actually get lucky now. Look at ES. We might actually get lucky now.
Stock ES sell.
We might actually get lucky, mate. Because ES wants to go low. Come on, get the fuck down, man. No? Come on, man, dump it. Dump it, dump it, dump it.
Asset ends remarks on Fox Business.
God damn it.
Iceberg
This
NQ
ES is just
sell.
looking like it wants to go low. Come on, man. Just
Stock ES
collapse.
sell.
Just collapse, mate. $40 past. God damn it, man. The 1 minute and the 5 minute, the first minute. Let's say this is manipulation. It should collapse now. Soon. Second leg down. Yeah.
Stop NQ sell.
Yes, should continue to this 277.
Stop ES sell.
Yeah. 250. Just dump now. Should switch to 15 to see where. Yeah, 15 is here. Okay. I hear 15. I just took it. God damn it. Just took it.
Iceberg NQ sell.
Iceberg and Q sale. I should go low then. Yeah. The last 2 minutes and the 5 minutes we should just start to drop. It's just one mistake like this and basically let's focus here. Okay, last minute. Doesn't want to go low. Go towards 11 o'clock to London Low. Fucking hell. No.
Stop NQ buy.
That's not good, man.
Iceberg ES buy.
Fucking hell. It's going up, mate. Hit that fucking button, man. Hit that button. Hit it. How about now? 23,000 is holding this shit, man. Someone is selling that. For fuck's sake. Someone does presses on the price. Someone does press. They do press on the price. So I see. But at the same time, they're trying to buy that. It was just ridiculous. Could have fucking get out there. Okay. How about now? It's new rotation, and that's all. We're gonna wait till 11 o'clock. We're gonna wait till 11 o'clock with this trade, I think. I don't see big
Iceberg
Delta.
and Q sell.
Fucking iceberg and Q sell when this thing is going up. You fucked up, man.
Stop and Q sell.
They've been selling from that level before. Let's see if they're gonna sell again. I'll go 50. Which way? Okay, yes, just hit that high. And this is what
Order
happens
filled.
when you
Stop
fucking
ES buy.
hold, man.
Stop ES
Too long.
buy. Stop ES buy.
God damn it. Could fucking close it down here. Had a chance. Ugh, fuck off, man. Basically, I gave back what I made yesterday. Okay. We are out of this trade. Fucking tired of this shit. Now it's gonna go, right? What the fuck is going on here, man? Yeah, we just basically we gave back what we made yesterday.
Absorption ES sellers. Absorption ES sellers.
Could have fucking closed it. I was thinking, close this man here. And then he didn't do it. You got lucky with this drop here, and you didn't use it. Okay, I'm gonna fucking listen to this. And I think this is the end, mate, because we're already at 11 o'clock.
Stop ES buy.
The EU used to create almost 400 billion euro crisis
Stop
mechanism
ES buy.
Unless you guys wants to
2028
continue.
2034.
Looks like he wants to continue. Let's fucking
Order
try
filled.
this. See,
Stop ES buy.
I really wanna go.
Stop NQ buy.
Order filled.
Sweep
Man,
NQ seller.
see this fucking
Stop
thing?
NQ sell. Stop ES sell. Sweep ES buyers.
You see this fucking
Sweep
thing,
ES
man?
Buyers. Stop ES sell. Stop ES sell. Stop NQ sell. Absorption ES sellers. Absorption ES sellers. Sweep ES buyers. Sweep ES buyers. Iceberg NQ buy. Stop NQ sell. Stop NQ sell.
Order filled.
That's according to CBS.
Keeping an eye on the dollar, seeing movement towards the downside off the back of that.
Stop
there.
NQ sell.
CBS says that Trump asked GOP lawmakers
Order filled.
if he should fire Fed chair. S&P 500 did see a little bit of move towards the downside off of the back of the headline there.
Order filled.
Stop ES sell. Stop NQ
Fucking
sell.
did this, and they did this. Fucking hell, man, they did this.
Stop NQ sell.
Oh, he has already
Order
took the
filled.
bottom. God damn it. Fucking hell, he has already took the bottom.
Stop Stop ES buy.
Order
Try
filled.
one more time here. For a quick drop.
So Trump asked
Iceberg
GOP on
and
Tuesday about
QCell.
firing Powell. Trump indicated he will fire Powell, according to what lawmakers say.
Order filled.
Okay. What was the news? I don't know. God damn it. It's 250 there. 950 still there. How about Nasdaq? Oh, sorry, ES. ES doesn't have any liquidity below. This can go back up. That's why I meant they had that level, and it was just that's
Absorption
was
ES
fucking
buyers.
boring for it, honestly.
Absorption ES buyers. Sweep ES sellers. Sweep ES sellers.
Have I heard this correctly? Trump's gonna fire Jerome Powell?
Order filled.
Go for the 50.
Voice news disconnected.
Order filled.
Okay, now.
Stop ES sell.
Minus
Stop
350.
ES sell.
Ah, man. Nightmare. Couple of good trades here. I didn't take the profits. Hesitated at the open. This hesitation always costs you money, mate. I don't know. I think no liquidity here. Liquidity is at 50. I'm gonna try
Order
one more
filled.
time for the 50. It's 59 now, it's 11 o'clock. Then I go and sweep that bottom. Come on. God damn it. Go and grab that bottom. No?
Voice news disconnected.
Go and grab that bottom, motherfucker.
Iceberg and QCell.
Man. Go and grab that button. Again, the same shit. Honestly. Okay, now we took this high. How about we start going low now?
Iceberg and Q-Cell. Sweep ES buyers. Sweep ES buyers. Absorption ES sellers. Absorption ES sellers. Stop ES buy. Iceberg ES buy. Stop ES sell. Stop NQ sell. Stop NQ sell.
Take them down. Again, I fucking overstated. 23,000 waiting down there.
Stop NQ buy.
Order filled.
I'm gonna sell more. For the drop. Come on. Drop it.
Absorption NQ buyers. Stop ES buy. Absorption NQ buyers.
Order filled.
Take the loss. Take that loss because this wants to go up again.
Sweep ES buyers. Sweep ES buyers. Absorption ES sellers. Absorption ES sellers.
Not good, man, not good. At the same time, when you look at this thing, fucking 70%. This is well lucky.
Stop NQ buy.
It's pushing into this again. 11 past.
Stop ES buy. Stop NQ buy.
do we think now? Should we trade or should we just stop? £13. Let's see what they're gonna do with this at £15. Okay, pumping higher.
Stop NQ buy.
So it looks like they're gonna push towards this.
Stop NQ buy. Stop NQ buy.
Yeah, no point to short this. I mean, look, our plan was pretty clear. Buy somewhere here, whatever. If I push higher, this can actually continue higher, right? I might take that high and keep going. So okay, he has got to that 70. Nasdaq didn't. They're buying it. Let's break out.
Sweep ES sellers. Sweep ES sellers. Absorption ES buyers.
Jesus.
Absorption ES buyers. Stop NQ sell. Stop ES sell.
Order
Stop
filled.
ES sell. Sweep ES buyers. Sweep ES buyers.
Order filled.
See that thing, man?
Stop ES sell.
The fuck is going on? Another news? Another fucking news?
Iceberg ES sell. Stop ES buy. Stop NQ sell.
This isn't going anywhere.
Absorption
Order
NQ
filled.
buyers. Stop
This is
NQ
fucking
sell.
dumping, mate.
Stop ES sell. Stop ES sell.
Dump.
Sweep NQ buyers.
Order filled.
Absorption NQ buyers.
Order filled.
Fucking one more time.
Stop NQ sell.
Order filled.
Absorption NQ buyers.
He has just swept the fucking thing.
Order filled.
Iceberg ESL.
Let's see.
Order filled.
Fucking go now. Motherfuckers, honestly. What is Mercury doing today?
Welcome to Think with
Order filled.
Maps, where we trade futures in a blink with book maps.
Stop NQ cell.
It's book maps, it's book maps.
Go, 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 go. Go, motherfucker.
All been waiting for. That's right.
That's right. Go down.
Community, the Think with book maps.
Order filled.
Book maps, think with book maps.
Jesus.
Community. It's the Think with book maps. Think with book maps. Think with book maps. Community. Think with book maps. Think with
God damn it. Can't fucking catch anything. White House. Trump is likely to firepower soon.
maps community. Yeah. Think with book maps community, man. It's the
Stop NQ cell.
community.
Minus 300. It's not kurva much. Fucking knew it.
Cell.
It's gonna go
Iceberg
down.
NQ buy.
Everything is dumping.
Where we trade futures in a blink with book maps.
Stop NQ cell.
All these guys are saying where the females at, man.
Shit.
Saying, bro, what are you
Stop
on
NQ
about,
cell.
man?
Stop ES cell. Stop NQ cell. Iceberg NQ buy.
Futures trading. If you wanna go find a girlfriend, then go on Tinder, bro. Go on Tinder, go on
God damn it.
Go on some other app, bro. We trade futures in here.
Stop NQ cell. Absorption NQ sellers. Stop NQ cell.
Okay, panic's over. Panic over.
Absorption NQ buyers.
It's over.
Two-year treasuries
Stop
jump on
NQ
reports
cell.
that Trump is likely to
Stop
fire
ESL.
Powell. Also, Shane Baum says that she spoke with Canada's PM Carney about Trump letters, and Canada and Mexico agree USMCA pact must be respected.
Iceberg NQ buy.
Nasdaq 100 declines 0.6% to session low now.
Give me a kill.
Stop ES cell.
Why you didn't buy that? Buy yes here. Where's yes? Can go lower. Oh, we're gonna bounce. Looks like it could bounce here. Too late. again. This hesitation, man, is killing you today. Look at that. Fucking 30, 40 points up. And they did this fucking second leg. Look at that. This whole thing that we were holding for push into overnight low. And we did it.
Stop NQ sell. Stop NQ sell.
Goldman Sachs CEO says, I think there's a reasonable chance we get a cut or two, but not certain. He's currently speaking in a CNBC interview.
219. Let's see if they're gonna go and hit that.
EU nations ambassadors failed to approve new sanctions package on Russia.
Delta
EU diplomat
5000
says
on this
the
drop.
EU countries' ambassadors failed to approve new sanctions package on Russia, according to EU diplomats.
And again, 70%. That's lucky. That's a lucky fucking trade, mate. But to be honest, I had so many times in profit today. It stopped them. I was unlucky.
Stop ES5.
Look at that, man.
Stop NQ buy.
It's already bouncing. Let's measure that. Is this a poor high? Oh, we took that. Yes, left poor high.
Stop NQ buy.
You know what?
US Treasury 2-year yields extend fall. 2-year yields last down about 7.4 base points at about 3.885%.
28 past. I wanna go long on this thing, but
Absorption ES buyers. Absorption ES buyers. Stop ES buy. Stop ES buy. Iceberg ES buy.
just fucking buy it, man. See this? Why didn't you buy it?
Stop NQ buy. Stop NQ buy. Absorption NQ buyers.
Look at that, man.
Now, the New York Times, picking up on this, that Trump has drafted letter to fire Fed chair.
Stop NQ sell.
Seeing some further movement towards the downside on the dollar index again here again off the back of that New York Times article now coming through again. Trump has
Stop
drafted
ES
a letter
buy.
to fire Fed chair. So CNBC citing White House official that Trump
Absorption NQ
likely
sellers.
will fire Fed Chair Powell soon. Again, another article from CNBC saying White House official says Trump likely will fire Fed Chair Powell soon.
Stop ES buy.
I'm going for that low.
So Trump, according to New York Times, waived a copy of draft firing letter to GOP lawmakers. So again, New York Times says Trump waived a copy of the draft firing letter to GOP lawmakers. It's New York Times citing two people familiar in the report on Powell firing letter.
Stop NQ sell. Stop NQ sell.
Order filled.
Let's try.
Iceberg ES sell.
Euro rises 1% session high
Stop
against the US
ES5.
dollar.
Order filled.
Not doing it.
Hello, everybody. This is Donald J.
Iceberg
Trump.
NQ
Donald
Yeah,
Trump.
It's really me. And I'm going to do a little advert for Financial Juice. You're behind the markets. If you're a real day trader, go real time at financialjuice.com/purchase and save 67% on a subscription. Can you believe it? Instead of
Can you believe
a
it? You're gonna fire Jay Powell?
67% tariff,
Can't believe it, but you will. That's what you're saying.
Short-term US interest rate futures extend rise as traders boost bets
Order
on
filled.
Fed rate
Down, man.
cuts.
Iceberg NQ buy.
We're gonna go for this, I think. Come on. Just do it.
Order filled. Order filled.
Need to get out because it's just
So we have the article from CNBC
Iceberg
citing
NQ
White House
buy.
officials.
Stop
Trump
ESL.
likely will fire Fed Chair Powell soon. On the
Okay.
feed to read through.
it's not
Also,
doing
just
it.
seeing spot gold extending gain after a report that says Trump will likely fire Fed Powell soon. Last up about 1.5%. And US Treasury yields decline in reaction to report that Trump is likely to fire Powell soon. 2-year yield now down about 8.8 basis points at about 3.870%.
Iceberg NQ buy.
S&P 500 Financials Index turns
Iceberg
negative last
NQ
night
sell.
about 0.4%.
Order
Fucking
filled.
Stop ES sell.
Land that thing now.
Sweep NQ sellers. Absorption NQ sellers. Iceberg NQ buy. Stop NQ sell.
Really? Bounce, 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 bounce.
Stop ES sell.
Okay.
Order
Take that
filled.
loss, fucker. Take that loss, man. This is going wrong, man. Something big and brewing. This is
Order
going
filled.
low, man. Where's this fucking low? Down here. What's the level? 840.
Stop ES sell.
Order filled.
200. Fucking hell. $800. Yeah, it was goodbye, but not the second time, mate. Not the second time.
Stop ES sell.
Look at that.
Stop ES sell.
Where is this going anyway? Got some ETH.
Canada to charge extra 25% tariff on steel imports from all nations, excluding the US, containing steel melted and poured in China, according to a statement. Carney says that Canada has become too dependent on the US and must diversify trade relationship and rely on more Canadian steel for Canadian projects. Also, traders price in more than 50% chance of a September Fed rate cut.
What a mess today. Something is missing here. That's the long. That's the wrong level.
US Treasury 30-year yield now up
You know what?
5.1 basis points at about 5
This is
quarters
bouncing.
Order filled.
3% after the reports from Powell.
This is fucking going. Keep pumping.
Order
Nice.
filled.
Down to minus 100.
Iceberg ES buy.
Order filled. Order filled.
Stop NQ buy. Absorption NQ sellers. Stop ES buy. Iceberg ES buy. Stop ES buy.
Seeing ASML shares close down 11%, the steepest
Iceberg
one-day
ES buy.
decline since October 15th.
Have to buy small and just hold it.
Stop NQ buy. Absorption NQ sellers.
They might just keep buying it and not allow you to get in. typical 900 by 900. Quick, man. Delta's 3000. Need to get in there somehow. Okay, that's the 15-minute. Yeah, they're not gonna give you.
Stop ES buy.
They're not gonna give you entry. It might get a pullback now. $250. And yes.
Stop ES sell.
According to a source now saying that Trump is open to the idea of firing Powell. So just a source, not clear from where, but just again, source saying now that Trump is open to the idea of firing Powell. So further from the source, Trump polled some Republican lawmakers on firing Powell and got a positive response about it.
Stop ES buy.
Order filled.
I think we're pushing. We're not gonna wait for anything. I'm just gonna go.
Order filled.
Keep fucking buying.
Stop ES buy.
That's the same trade that I had yesterday. 2 legs down and then just basically a rip.
Stop ES buy.
It's relentless buying. No pullbacks.
So we have the live video of Trump and Bahrain PM has begun.
The fuck of Trump video. God damn it. Is he gonna say something again? Let's go quickly up there and sell before he speaks.
Remember, the live stream video is on the link, is on the feed for you to watch.
God damn it. They should push and sell into this view up. Let's go.
Stop ES buy. Absorption ES buyers. Absorption ES buyers.
Keep going. Come on, push.
Stop NQ sell.
Really? God damn it.
Order filled.
Should have waited for that drop. I'll take this up now. To view up. Should have waited for that, honestly. Making mistakes today.
Iceberg ES sell. Stop ES buy.
Last minute on the 5-minute candle. Let's see if they're gonna push.
Stop ES buy.
Trump on Powell says he's too late. So Trump makes comment on Fed Chair Powell.
Speaks the same.
Trump again asked if he will fire Powell. He says he's been too late. Trump says Powell tried to cut rates for Democrats.
Order filled.
And
Order
he says
filled.
Powell does a terrible job.
To
We
reduce
fight
it.
through it.
Good. We're getting somewhere.
Trump says Powell has been a terrible Fed chair.
Order filled.
Sweep and
Plus
Q buyers.
300.
Iceberg and Q sell.
My
Stop
friend,
and
my
Q
friend, my
buy.
friend.
Absorption and Q sellers.
Trump on
We
Powell
just
says
passed
not
the
planning
card. Can you
on doing
imagine?
Sweep
anything.
ES buyers. Stop
They like
ES
this.
buy.
Can't
Stop
fucking
and
So
believe
Q
again,
buy.
Trump and Powell says not planning on doing anything. They're saying
Stop
moving
and
towards the
Q
upside
buy.
on the dollar now, and
Can't
also
believe
the
it.
S&P 500.
23.
So again, Trump asked if he will fire Powell, not planning. Is what he says, not planning on doing it.
Absorption ES sellers.
Trump just
Absorption
citing
ES
costs
sellers.
overruns for Fed
Stop
building
and Q
renovations.
buy.
And Trump says, I'm not talking about firing Powell. Trump says that the change will be the
Absorption
next 8
ES
months.
sellers.
As a reminder,
Absorption
just
ES
context-wise,
sellers.
Powell is due to leave his position in May 2026, mid-May.
Stop and Q buy.
Trump on Fed Chair Powell says we'll pick someone who is good.
Iceberg ES sell. Iceberg ES buy. Iceberg and Q buy. Sweep and Q sellers. Stop ES sell. Absorption ES buyers. Absorption ES buyers. Sweep ES sellers. Sweep ES sellers.
Canada's PM Carney says Canada is in long and tough negotiations with the US. Trump says that Hassett is someone we'd consider for Fed chair. Trump says Fed chair job is not hard if you're smart. He says, but if you're a dummy, then it's tough.
Iceberg and Q sell.
Alright, man.
Trump says Powell is a knucklehead.
Stop ES sell.
Somehow we made it.
Iceberg ES
Plus
sell.
300. Account passed. Continuation up.
So Trump on firing Powell says highly unlikely. Trump says possible fraud is involved with Fed renovations. So Trump on not firing Powell says unless there is fraud with renovations. And Trump denies drafting letter to fire Powell. Treasury yields pair steepening after Trump comment on Powell.
Stop NQ buy.
Trump says that I did talk about the concept of firing with GOP. Trump says that I'm more conservative than the GOP on firing Powell.
Well, it's me again. It's Donald J. Frickin' Trump, okay? And if you're sick and tired of hearing my voice in this ad, which is pretty sad, all you've got to do is go real time at financialjuice.com
Just like this, mate.
purchase and save
Fucking made it.
67% on a subscription.
Tough, it was
Beautiful,
tough day.
big, huge discount. So what are you waiting for?
Tough
Come
fucking
on,
day, but
do it.
you got it.
Iceberg NQ buy. Sweep NQ sellers. Absorption NQ buyers.
So S&P 500 now down about 0.06%, Nasdaq now down about 0.16%, and Dow up 0.07%. So again, as Trump makes his comments on not wanting to fire Powell. So again, on Trump on Powell not planning on doing anything in regards to firing Powell. Google says more advanced AI capabilities are coming to search. Euro pairs gains after Trump says highly unlikely to fire Powell.
Iceberg NQ buy. Stop ES sell.
Trump says China's been helping on fentanyl.
Iceberg NQ buy.
Canada's PM Carney says we'll see about more retaliatory tariffs on the US.
Okay, so don't push your luck. What can I say about my trading today? I overstayed my welcome here on that push. Didn't close what I could to bring myself to minus $100. Then I closed here minus 500 something. This fucking thing dropped. I think on the way down I made something to minus 300. It's okay. Didn't take long of this, what I should, but I did take long here. No, didn't take that. Or maybe I did. Yeah, I did take long here. I sold and then I re-entered high. Stayed it up. We got the push, second leg up.
So it's a top
Sold
priority
somewhere here.
negotiation with the US would like to resolve it at the same time
Iceberg
as other
NQ
trade
buy.
issues when talking about softwood lumber.
But here could have taken 70. It would once you have your mind in check because you made some money, you are like a little bit,
Trump says that Iran wants
you're
to
not
negotiate
panicking.
badly.
Grab 1, 2, I think 3 times I could have taken $70. That would be $200. Then there was this drop. Would have taken that long, but then I switched to shorts. We went down. I think it was going down with 10. Made a good money here. Yeah. Hesitated at the open on ES. I was a bit too early on ES. I was short here. This pushed up, got out on this candle. Basically break even. Then we got pushed. I thought we might push a little bit higher to take this high, maybe. But Nasdaq was already falling. It was indicating we're gonna go. I should have fucking add at least something. Once you're in and it comes going, and it keeps going down, I could cover here into this low, see what's gonna happen. Nasdaq continues, re-enter, and boom, 10 points. Another $250 on 5 contracts, or around that. And yeah. So it's a positive day, but it was so fucking difficult, and I don't know.
Absorption ES sellers. Absorption ES
Yeah,
sellers.
I'm really unhappy with this trade here. When I took the short, I was in the money, should have been stopped, because that looked like long, right? That looked like it could go down, but then once it reversed, I should have got out here. Simple as that. That is long. That's the order block. That's the order block. That's long. We dipped in and they pushed. Which candle was that? This is 3. This is 5. So let's go to 3.
Again says reports on firing power aren't true.
Oh, you're gonna go up there. Which candle was it? It was this candle, so look at it, he just dipped into that. But they never took that low. They never took this. So yeah, kind of. What is it? 6:02, 6:07, this is lunch.
Trump says, I think Powell is already under investigation. Trump on Powell and fraud probe says, I think he's got some problems.
Iceberg and Q buy.
Trump says that Powell spent more money than expected. Trump says the best trade deal we can make is sending a letter. Trump says we have pretty good deals to announce. Trump says big trade deal will be a letter to 150 nations. So we'll have over 150 nations that will get notice of payment. Trump says, I think we will live by the Japan letter, and I think we'll probably, so again, I think we'll probably will live by the letter with Japan.
See.
Iceberg and Cuba.
According to Semaphore News, a group of Republican lawmakers are meeting with Powell tonight. Trump says, I hope to get oil down a little more. So Semaphore reported on X saying Republicans on House Financial Services Committee are slated to meet with Powell. So timing-wise then, the Republicans are slated to meet with Powell tonight between 6 to 7:30 p.m. Eastern Time, as according to a Semaphore reporter on X.
Yeah. Okay. Oh man, nice.
So a report from Semaphore now saying lawmakers' dinner with Powell is cancelled. So, not clear, but they're saying that the House Financial Services Republicans meeting with Powell, lawmakers' dinner with Powell is cancelled. So I don't know if that's looks to be an update on what was already said. Okay, so it is new. So the dinner was just cancelled, is what a Semaphore reporter was told. Members were told it's because of votes, but there's some skepticism that's the real only reason. Okay, so it looks like Trump's wrapping up his press conference then in the Oval Office. Okay, it's concluded now.
Absorption NQ buyers.
This is my plan.
Stop ESL. Stop NQ buy.
$5.50. Could just slide down. So again, we pushed into the 79, a bit above. Now we're grabbing that. Let's have a look here. What is this doing? So we dropped here. Let's check if this is actually the level. 6250. Yeah. I got one more down here. Why didn't I have these levels here? Unprepared, man. Unprepared. Didn't expect we're gonna drop like that. Okay.
Iceberg ESL. Stop NQ buy.
$329, man, in the plus. Let's clean this a little bit.
Absorption NQ buyers.
That was a good buy. I mean, it was a risky buy, but it's a good thinking. They really pushed through this. Same trade yesterday took on evaluation account. I made $400 on it, and today I made 300. Because I cut, I think I was 7 down here, and they cut 1, 2, and then they hit that. I closed actually here. It's alright. Oh, I don't believe in this long. And I don't want to trade anymore. I think it's like everything is done.
Scott Karcheski said Pump Diz manipulated Ponzi to Damoon.
Look at that. See this? Leg 1. Leg 2. Beautiful. Measured move. What are you talking about, Scott? Don't know the guy. Okay, so not doing much. Shit with them again.
Welcome to Think with Book Maps, where we trade futures in a blink with Book Maps.
Yeah, really fucked up here. Could have gone out minus 180.
It's the moment you've all been waiting for. That's right. Everybody's favorite community, the Think with Book Maps. Think with Book Maps. Think with Book Maps community. It's the Think with Book Maps. Think
I would have quit it down here.
Think with Book Maps community. Think with Book Maps. Think with Book Maps. Think with.
But the ES has got a lot of liquidity down here.
Think with Book Maps. Think with Book
270.
Think with Book Maps community. Yeah. Think with Book Maps community, man. It's the TWB community. It's the TWB community, man. Yeah, it's the TWB community. Welcome to Think with Book Maps, where we trade futures.
Sketchy, man. That's a sketch.
Maps. And for that though, you gotta think with Book Maps. It's Book Maps. It's Book Maps. It's Book Maps. All these guys are saying, where the females at, man? I'm saying, bro, what are you on about, man? I'm trying to trade futures in here, bro. We trade futures, man. This is futures trading. If you wanna go find a girlfriend, then go on Tinder, bro. Go on Tinder, go on Hinge. Go on some other app, bro. We trade futures in here. Think with Book Maps community. It's the Think with Book Maps community, man.
Stop NQ sell. Stop NQ sell. Iceberg ES sell. Stop ES buy. Stop NQ sell. Stop NQ buy.
U.S. Senate Republican Banking Committee member Tillis says firing a Fed chair over economic decision would undermine U.S. credibility. Tillis says if Fed chair is fired, you're going to see a pretty immediate response. And we've got
Voice news disconnected.
Bank of England's man, in an interview with Business News Wales, says, "My view is that it's going to take some effort to get inflation down." So, a reminder, she has made comments with Business News Wales, I think a couple of days ago now. Mann says that without supply side growth, demand is a sugar high and it does not end well. So also now, Sem4 reporter, excuse me, ignore that. Bank of England's man says views differ on MPC about where demand conditions really are and how that's playing out in the labour market.
Stop NQ sell. Stop ESL. Stop and queue buy. Iceberg and Q-Cell. Stop and queue buy. Stop and Q-Cell. Stop NQ buy. Stop NQ buy. Stop NQ buy. Stop NQ sell. Stop NQ sell.
Okay. Liquidity up. 7 p.m. I think we're gonna stop recording here. It wasn't good trading today, but we came out on top. $329. See you guys tomorrow.